All right, guys, good morning. Saturday morning. We're going to dive into Jasmy on the daily and the weekly, and Dogecoin on the daily and the weekly. And we're going to analyze both of them and see what looks good, what looks bad. Drop a like, would always appreciate that. If we can get this over 400 likes, that'd be absolutely amazing. I hope you're having a great Saturday. I hope you had a great week. You made it another day. So, super grateful for that, right? So, let's look at Jasmy, guys. I mean, we had a big red candle. This is insane. Last night. This was due to Iran and Israel. Most cryptos crashed, but Jasmy had a pretty big red candle. Is kind of coming back up, but one concern is this, guys. We closed this candle below all these candles, all the support. So we broke this support that we had at 1.7, and we hit lows of like 1.6. So, and another thing is we're under the 21 EMA on a daily time frame. Okay, the MACD is crossed, white to red, not a good sign. Every time this crosses white to red under the 21 EMA, what happens? For days, we tend to be red. Okay, we had another one here, MACD cross, red for days, and then we recover. So we might be red for days and we might recover like we always do. This is short-term pain. The RSI right now, it got as low as 35, which if we look back in time for Jasmy, is very oversold. This area, same as this area, and then it rallies. Got as low as 31, big wick down, touched the Keltner line right here, and then massive volume picked it up. Okay, so this is very sold level. Over here also, we got as low as 32, 33, and then we rallied. It fixed itself. So I guess that is a positive that we are pretty low, oversold. And the other positive I would say is if we pull up a weekly, and then we'll look at Dogecoin in a minute. If we pull up a weekly, we still have support down here. Okay, we have a huge wick here, huge wick, huge wick, huge wick. So 4 times we touched this area, I would say about 156 to 153. Okay, so even if we pull down, strong support in this area, and every time we touch this area, we rallied higher. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking at right now. Again, under the 21 EMA. So let's look at, and then also the MACD, guys, has not crossed yet. It's actually pointing down. So when this crosses, Jasmy should have an explosive move higher. So right now it's a waiting game. Still, nothing has changed for Jasmy. If we look at Dogecoin on the daily, it's a little different, right? We're actually above the 21 EMA, which is a great sign. So Dogecoin is making higher highs right now and higher lows. Okay, very, very good sign. This is why I have increased my coin count, I would say, in Dogecoin. I've been sharing all that with the Patreon. Link is down below, of course. But right now, trading above the 21 EMA, great sign. Okay. The RSI is also making higher lows and higher highs. So Dogecoin is in an uptrend. It wants to move higher. I would look for like 16 to 17 cents next. We have a huge stack of volume in this area short term. But again, I like that we're above the 21 EMA. Jasmy is just doing what Jasmy is doing right now. Jasmy, in Jasmy's defense, I would say it's had an over 1,000% return from 0.004 to 0.444 cents. Dogecoin did like 7 cents to 23 cents. So it didn't really have 1,000% return, right? So Jasmy actually had a pre-run already, and I think Jasmy will have one last run. Dogecoin hasn't really had its run yet. So that's why I like both of these cryptos. I obviously like Jasmy's tokenomics a little better, and the use case also for Jasmy. I think Dogecoin has a solid use case, but this is just where we're at right now. If we look at a weekly time frame for Dogecoin, and before we break this down, because that's really important, I want us to look at Caleb and Brown, guys. Make sure you join for free this weekend. Okay, you get 24/7 personal broker service for free. All you got to do, sign up, do your KYC verification. You don't have to buy anything. You just get service for free. They'll reach out to you. They'll set up a call if you want. You can ask them any questions about crypto. They have great reviews. Okay. And also, they don't manipulate any prices. I don't know if you've ever bought crypto on Robinhood or Coinbase. When you go to buy on those sites, you're not buying the crypto for what the actual price is. You're buying it for a lot higher. Okay, I gave you guys an example. When you put $100 into Tether on Coinbase, you get like $47. So that's an over 4% fee. It's over 4% fee if you do the math. Caleb and Brown, it's a flat fee of 3.5%. Okay, favorable pricing on assets, rapid trades, deep liquidity. You can buy different cryptos that Coinbase wouldn't offer for the actual price. If Coinbase offers a crypto, especially like a low market cap crypto, they're going to charge you a lot more in fees. So you got to do some research, but I would definitely join. Click the link down below. I have a referral link. Okay. You can join through me, and then they'll reach out to you, and it's going to be a great time. You want to make sure you have a couple brokerages open. So make sure you do that this weekend. Now, looking at Dogecoin on a weekly time frame, okay, you could see that right now momentum is still going up. The blue line has not crossed the red. It hasn't even touched the red yet. So when momentum is going up like this, I'll just give you an example of where we're at right now. Okay. Last time the stochastic was right here, which is where we're at, the blue line. Dogecoin was down here at like 7 cents. For the next several weeks, it rallied. And also notice how we stayed above the 21 EMA. We were just touching it, wicking down 4 times, back tested it, bullish, okay? Pulled back, stayed above the 21 EMA, bullish. So this could happen again, and it may happen where we might climb a little higher, and then we may come back down and test the 21 EMA. Right now, the 21 EMA is trading at about 12 cents, okay? I don't think we're gonna just pull back right now and test it. I do think we might consolidate here for a little bit, but I do think a move higher is coming very soon based off the stochastic where it's at and the RSI. The RSI also, guys, is at 54. We've seen this go as high on this pump right here, which Dogecoin ran from 5 cents all the way to 10 cents. So it doubled. You doubled your money in about a month and a half. The RSI got as high as 74. And when the RSI was at 54, we were just right here above the 21 EMA. On this pump right here, the RSI got as high as 82, okay? And then it pulled back and it went up again, created some negative divergence right here on a weekly time frame, and this was a sign to get out, okay? So what does that look like on the RSI? Well, when it was at 54, we're at right now, we're at this little green candle right here, and then a massive green candle came. So we also have a MACD cross on the weekly time frame, which I broke down for you guys. So I'm a big believer in Dogecoin right now. I think this will rally to at least 30 to 32 cents way up here before the end of November. So I'm expecting right about this time frame. Over the next several weeks, I think we'll have a massive pump for Dogecoin. This is just my prediction. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all just my own opinion. And honestly, you should just do what you're feeling at the end of the day. You shouldn't listen to me. You shouldn't listen to anyone on YouTube or anyone, to be honest with you. You should listen to God. You should listen to your intuition and whatever you're feeling. But this is just what I'm feeling. And I have to go with my thoughts, my feelings every single day. That's exactly how I ended up where I am today. So I have to trust that and have faith. And this is what I think will happen. I think we'll get to about 30 to 32 cents before the end of November. So before December 1st, let's say. And guys, we only have about a month. I'm thinking this could happen in the next month based off everything that I'm showing you on this chart today. So if you see value here, don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment. So think about subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. I would put notifications on. A lot of this is time sensitive. And we'll see you on the next one. Hope you have a great day.